What's up, everybody? DNO Garage here today. So today's video, guys, we're gonna be testing out what an exhaust tip really does for a truck, especially for a diesel truck. But as you can see, I have it off right here. We just got done doing the flybys and it's hard doing it by yourself. Honestly, I really would have liked to had someone here to help me, but I got to keep putting out content for you guys and try to get videos out and everything. But yeah, we're really gonna see what an exhaust tip really does for a truck. My exhaust tip is a 4-inch inlet to a 10-inch outlet. It's a bit insane. I didn't realize how big it was gonna be, but we're gonna be getting rid of that here soon, and I'm gonna be getting a exhaust elbow. Hopefully it'll make it look a little better, because having that 10-inch exhaust tip on there just kind of makes it look silly, honestly. No offense to the people that runs them, but they do make the truck sound a lot deeper, in my opinion. That's one of the best things for it. And yeah, we're just gonna see what that really does. Thank you guys for watching again, and thank you all for all the support. And if you like it, subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think sounds better, an exhaust tip or no exhaust tip.